Ever wondered how Mint Mobile offers such incredible deals on your phone plan? Let's dive into how this prepaid, online-only carrier revolutionizes the mobile experience, starting with its backbone the mobile network. Mint Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, which basically means they lease space on mobile's existing infrastructure. This negates the need for expensive physical infrastructure, allowing for reduced operational costs. Next is the core to all of this, and that's the prepaid model. Mint Mobile operates exclusively on a prepaid basis instead of monthly bills and long-term contracts. You pay upfront for your service. You buy a plan that's already set for the amount of data you want. That's how they sidestep costly things like credit checks and activation fees. This approach allows them to do everything through their website and a user-friendly app. You can purchase plans, activate service, manage your account, and get customer support. All online, no physical stores mean lower overhead and significant cost savings. Mint Mobile's subscription plans are super simple. They offer a range of plans with different data allowances, giving you flexibility. You choose the amount of data you need and prepay for either 3, 6, or 12 months. The longer you prepay, the less you spend monthly. You can even try a trial plan to see if it's right for you. So, thanks to the mobile network, a prepaid-only approach, and a strong online presence, Mint Mobile keeps its costs low and passes those savings on to you. Now you see why Mint Mobile stands out in a world of complex and costly mobile plans.